Hey guys, today I'll be doing my QBox unboxing. Okay, first off, this caught my eye right away. How cute is this? It's actually, it doesn't have like a thing to show your products. Hold up, let me see this. It just says thank you and getqbox.com. Anyway, this is a humidifier. Pretty sure. Because it says you have to put it in water. And then after you put it in water, you wet these white things and then hook it up to your USB. I'm always complaining that the room is always dry and my eyes are always dry, but this looks just super cute. Okay. Next, I got a lovely tape. Make life more beautiful. And it looks like it's this thing is called Angu tape. Let's see if we can get this out of the box. Glass tape, it says. Hold on. Ew, okay. Hold on. Oh, this is cute. Oh, okay. They're not stuck together. How cute is that? I wouldn't even know what to put it on. I thought you can actually, I thought it was actually, I guess it's like deco tape. It says you could put it around a bag, you could put it around your keys. I guess for like, to make it decorative. I like the saying, lovely tape, make life more beautiful. Hope you happy every day. I love the English. Anyway, next I got 8 paper straws. Tree in art, love is the vine that grows into our hearts. These are cute. I wonder if you could reuse them. But they're paper though. I don't know. No, I guess not. I guess they might be disposable. Anyway, super cute. Okay, next I got Totoro. This will come in handy because I always like to take notes by my desk if I have something important to write down, so this will definitely be by my desk. Next, how cute is this little zipper wallet? So you put your cards in here or your pictures. Most likely cards now. When I was in high school, I had this like wallet card and I just put pictures in it. Anyway, and then atmosphere. Cute wallet. I will be definitely putting this in my pocketbook. And of course it always comes with jewelry. So we got a pin with a little bunny and was that Saturn? One of the really cute. And then also a necklace. Super cute. Oops. And the last but not least, we got the, I can never say it, Rilakuma. So cute. I guess it's a little, you can hang it up somewhere. I don't know what it is, what it's for. But it's super cute. I really like it. All in all, I thought this was a super, super cute box. Like, so adorable. These products, I think, were definitely all from Japan. Okay, that's it, guys. I will see you guys in another video. Bye!